We produce three main products: ethanol, distiller's grain, and corn oil. We produce 365,000 gallons a day, approximately, of ethanol. We produce 1,000 tons of distiller's grain daily and 10,000 gallons of corn oil. We have truckloads of corn coming in every day. We ship out about a 100-car train a week of ethanol, and a little less than that, of course, of distiller's grain, and some goes to the local market. As a maintenance manager, we deal with two things: problems and projects. And when we don't have to think about a piece of equipment, it's extremely nice. Scott has a reputation out there in their mixers that we had all discussed. The main reason we chose Scott was for the reliability of the machine. I met Justin at a Team M3 meeting, I believe in Des Moines. We traded cards, and I knew I was in the market for a Scott mixer or something like it, and the discussion started from there. So we ordered the new Scott mixer in June of 2014 to be put in that fall at our shutdown. We got approval drawings from Glenn at Scott, went through those, verified dimensions, and kind of edited everything to our actual plant here. The Scott engineers did a very good job. The drawings and the design work around the Scott mixer, they're very knowledgeable, easy to work with. On the day of delivery, we actually ended up unloading it ourselves. The first day we turned the Scott mixer on, it was so quiet we asked them to start it again. We couldn't believe it was running. When we first started adding product to the mixer, we did notice that we had kind of a oscillation or sloshing going on inside the machine that caused vibration. We had engineers look at the floor design and had some concern that we would have some structural issues. So we went back to Scott Equipment. They came out and helped troubleshoot the problem almost right away. We ended up putting a variable speed drive on the unit to verify what a speed change would do for us. In the end, Scott came, brought us new shivs and all the equipment to change the speed on their dime. Once we made these changes, you can barely tell that the unit's running. It's a lot smoother than it was. Dependability-wise, we're used to having to work on the mixers quite a bit. This one, to date, we haven't really done anything. We've greased it, changed the oil, the belts, and maybe given a slight tightening to the packing. We haven't had any downtime with the machine. All in all, very, very, very happy with the unit.